Thank you for choosing the Ellume COVID-19 home test. This video is an overview of how to use the test. Place the analyzer within 3 inches of your phone on a flat surface. Twist and pull the tab off the processing fluid container and carefully squeeze all fluid into the dropper. Remove the child adapter. Keep the swab clean before use. Insert the swab through your nostril. Gently rub the tip of the swab around the inside of your nose cavity 3 times. Remove the swab and repeat this process in the other nostril. Screw the swab into the dropper. It is very important that you screw the swab in as tightly as possible. Hold the dropper by the narrow section and squeeze 5 drops of fluid into the sample port of the analyzer.